Have you ever wished for something amazing? Maybe a new home, a fulfilling career, or a deeper sense of love. These dreams often feel like distant stars twinkling in the night sky just out of reach. But what if I told you that these dreams are not as far away as they seem? What if you could bring them closer, make them a part of your reality? Manifestation is about making those dreams a reality. It's a powerful process that involves more than just wishful thinking. It's about setting clear intentions and taking deliberate actions. It's about aligning your energy to attract what you desire. When you meditate, practice yoga, or engage in deep breathing exercises, you are tuning your frequency to match the vibration of your dreams. But manifestation is not just wishing. It's about believing with every fiber of your being that what you want is already on its way to you. It's about preparing yourself to receive. This means creating a space in your life for your dreams to flourish. It could be as simple as setting up a serene corner for meditation, or as profound as changing your daily habits. It's about cultivating the right mindset, the right feelings, and the right actions. Reading self-help books, practicing affirmations, and keeping a gratitude journal are all ways to nurture a positive mindset. It's about becoming a magnet for your dreams. This journey starts within. It begins with understanding the power of your thoughts and emotions. Your thoughts are energy, and they have the power to shape your reality. It begins with understanding the power of your thoughts and emotions. Your thoughts are energy. They vibrate at a certain frequency, and this frequency can attract similar energies into your life. They vibrate at a certain frequency. When you focus on positive thoughts, you raise your vibration, aligning yourself with the energy of your dreams. And what you focus on, you attract. This means that if you focus on your dreams with determination and clarity, you are more likely to bring them into your reality. So, if your thoughts are filled with doubt, fear, or lack, you're sending out a signal that says, "I don't believe it's possible." This negative energy can block your dreams from manifesting. You're sending out a signal that says, "I don't believe it's possible." But you have the power to change this. By shifting your thoughts to a more positive and hopeful state, you can change the signal you send out. But when your thoughts are positive, hopeful, and full of faith, you send out a powerful message. I am ready to receive. This positive energy attracts opportunities, people, and circumstances that align with your dreams. You send out a powerful message. I am ready to receive. So prepare for your dreams. Believe in them, align your energy, and take the necessary steps. Your dreams are waiting for you to bring them to life. We've all been there, stressed about bills, living paycheck to paycheck. The anxiety of not knowing if you'll make it to the end of the month can be overwhelming. It's a cycle that seems never-ending, a constant struggle to keep your head above water, feeling the weight of lack. It's like carrying a heavy burden on your shoulders, one that you can't seem to put down. This feeling of scarcity can seep into every aspect of your life, making it hard to see any light at the end of the tunnel. These negative thoughts create a vibration of scarcity. They cloud your mind, making it difficult to focus on anything positive. It's as if you're trapped in a fog of worry and doubt, unable to see a way out. Think of it like this. You wouldn't plant a seed in dry, cracked earth and expect it to flourish. Just as a plant needs fertile soil to grow, your dreams need a positive mindset to thrive. The same goes for your dreams. They need a nurturing environment to take root and grow. If your mind is filled with negativity and doubt, your dreams will struggle to survive. Planting seeds of worry in a mind filled with lack will not yield the harvest you desire. It's like trying to grow a garden in a desert. No matter how much effort you put in, the results will be disappointing. To manifest abundance, you need to shift your focus. Start by creating a positive mental environment. Engage in activities that bring you peace and joy, like meditation, yoga, or journaling. Stop dwelling on what you don't have. Instead, focus on what you do have. By shifting your attention away from lack and towards abundance, you create a fertile ground for your dreams to grow. Start appreciating what you do have, the small things that bring you joy, the simple pleasures that make life worth living. These moments of gratitude can transform your mindset and open the door to abundance. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting your vibration. It helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life, creating a ripple effect that attracts more good things your way. Focus on the good in your life. the small joys, the simple pleasures. These are the moments that make life beautiful and worth living. By appreciating them, you create a positive energy that can help your dreams flourish. This positive energy creates fertile ground for your dreams to grow. Just like a garden needs water and sunlight, your dreams need positivity and gratitude to thrive. So, nurture them with love and watch them bloom. Imagine a still pond. The water is so calm that it mirrors the sky perfectly, creating a seamless blend of earth and heaven. The tranquility of this scene is almost palpable, inviting you to take a deep breath and relax. Its surface is calm and reflective, like a perfect mirror. Every detail of the surroundings is captured with pristine clarity, undisturbed by any movement. Now imagine throwing a stone into the water. Ripples spread out, disturbing the peace. Each ripple represents a thought, a worry, or a task that disrupts the stillness. Your mind is like that pond. When it's cluttered with thoughts, worries, and to-do lists, it's hard to see clearly. The constant mental chatter creates ripples that obscure your inner vision. It's hard to connect with your inner power. The noise and chaos make it difficult to find that inner stillness where true clarity and strength reside. That's why it's essential to find moments of stillness. These moments allow you to quiet the mind, to let the ripples settle, and to see the reflection of your true self. To create a space where you can quiet the chatter of your mind and connect with your true self. This space becomes a sanctuary, a place where you can retreat and recharge. This is where the magic of manifestation begins. In this stillness, you can focus your intentions and align your energy with your desires. Find a place where you feel comfortable and at peace. It could be anywhere that allows you to relax and let go of the outside world. It could be a quiet corner in your home, a space that you have dedicated to your practice, filled with items that bring you joy and calm, a park bench surrounded by nature, where the sounds of birds and the rustling of leaves can soothe your mind, or even your bathtub. The important thing is that it feels safe and sacred to you. This is your personal haven, a place where you can reconnect with yourself and find peace amidst the chaos of daily life. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale. Repeat this several times. Breathing is the bridge between your body and your mind. Deep, conscious breathing has the power to calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and bring you into the present moment. As you breathe, let go of any tension you're holding in your body. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and soften your gaze. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more centered, more present. This is your time to connect with your inner self, to quiet the noise of the outside world and listen to the whispers of your heart. Section 5. Picture your dreams. Now bring to mind the desire you want to manifest. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Feel it in your heart. Don't just think about it logically. Feel it emotionally. Engage all your senses. What does it look like? What does it smell like? What does it sound like? Imagine yourself living your dream life. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement. The more real you can make it feel, the more powerful your manifestation will be. Visualization is a powerful tool for creation. When you visualize what you want, you're sending a clear message to the universe. You're saying, "This is what I desire. This is what I'm creating." Section 6. Feel the joy. This is perhaps the most important step in the manifestation process, feeling the emotions of already having what you desire. Don't just think about how happy you'll be when you achieve your goal. Feel that happiness now. Embody it. Your emotions are powerful magnets. When you feel the joy of already having what you want, you're aligning yourself with its vibration. This is not about denying your current reality. It's about shifting your energy to match the frequency of your desires. Section 7. Money and harmony. For many, money is a source of stress and anxiety, but money itself is not inherently good or bad. It's simply energy. Your relationship with money is a reflection of your beliefs and thoughts about it. If you view money as scarce or difficult to come by, you'll likely experience lack. To attract abundance, you need to cultivate a healthy and harmonious relationship with money. Appreciate the money you have no matter how small, use it wisely, and always be open to receiving more. Imagine abundance flowing into your life like a river. It's not just about money, although financial abundance is certainly part of it. It's about abundance in all areas of your life: love, health, happiness, and fulfillment. Open your heart and mind to receive. Believe that you are worthy of receiving all the good the universe has to offer. The universe wants to support you. It wants to see you thrive, but you have to be open to receiving its gifts. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's a way of life. It's about cultivating a positive mindset, feeling good, and taking inspired action. It's about believing in yourself and your dreams. It's about trusting the process, even when you don't see immediate results. Remember, you are a powerful creator. You have the ability to shape your reality with your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. You are not defined by your circumstances. You are not limited by your past. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Not even the voice inside your head. You are stronger than you think. You are more resilient than you know. And you are worthy of all the good that life has to offer. The journey of manifestation is not always easy. There will be challenges, there will be setbacks, but don't give up. Keep believing in yourself. Keep visualizing your dreams. Keep taking action. The universe is conspiring to bring you everything you desire. Trust the process, stay positive, and never stop believing in the power of your dreams.